What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, David? Quick demo video for you for your OWK3 by 89 Sabers. This is installed with a Proffie V2. It's a 2-button setup, so your front switch over here is going to be your activation, and then the back part of the clamp card, you'll feel that tactile. That's your auxiliary. You've got CC Sabers for your main PCB in here. I've tightened this down up here as tight as I can, hand crank it, but you don't want to loosen that, right? So I didn't glue anything down. It is super tight, but you don't want to take any of this front part off. How you access everything is right here through the pommel. You just want to unscrew this pommel. In here you've got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, and it stays in that speaker pod. It's a super solid press fit into that pommel, so it doesn't come out, and that's what that looks like. But when you take that out, this is what you've got here, right? So you've got your kill key over here, or I'm sorry, your kill switch, your recharge port. Now this is the smaller, like 1.2 millimeter recharge port. So if you just have a regular recharge charger, you're going to need that adapter, and you can find that on a custom Saber shop. And then you've got your speaker pogo pins, and then easy access to your micro USB and your SD card. You only sent me one font, the bold one by Ksith, which is a super cool font. It's on here. You wanted to have the clashes be quotes, so that's what I did. And then the Battle of Heroes for the soundtrack, or for the soundtrack for that font. I also left the stock fonts on here, and there's a copy of your config file on your SD card. But to turn this guy on, you just want to come over here and flip your kill switch, flip it down, and then you're not going to hear anything because we don't have a speaker. But we'll just go ahead and put the just screw the speaker on. Tighten that down. Now you do have motion controls. Auxiliary back here. You could twist off, or you could just come over here and hit activation. And then tap it again and turn it off. Just like that. And we'll put a blade in this guy and test it out a little bit. So I've just got my test blade in here because my regular size blade will not fit. This is a super tight emitter, and you might want to do some sanding because you're going to want your blade to slide in and out freely on this emitter piece because it's very low profile. There's plenty of blade depth for a thin neck, but you just want to be able to feel when you're hitting those pins. But you turn this on like this. Now every clash is a different quote.
I must know the truth, Master. Hello there.
You are a bold one.
I sense a trap. Hello there. Hello there.
Always on the move.
They'll be random.
Oh, I have a bad feeling about this. I will take the child and watch over him. Anakin has turned to the dark side. Don't try it. Another happy landing. I will take the child and watch over him. I will take the child and watch over him.
Always on the move.
I will do what I must. I will do what I must. I will do what I must. I sense a trap.
So there's about 18 different quotes that I put in your clash folder.
Goodbye, old friend.
And they will just
May the force be with
play,
you.
right? And then to get to that soundtrack, what you want to do is just hold down power for 1 second and let go. You can turn the saber on while this is playing if you wanted to. And then do the same thing to turn it off. Hold down for 1 second and let go. And then to just cycle through your stock fonts, you just hit auxiliary.
Teensy.
Right.
Smooth Jedi.
They're all on here.
Smooth Gray.
Just like that. And then we'll go ahead and take the blade out and go over shutting this guy down, which is really easy to do. So what you want to do is just come over here basically and do what we did in the beginning, and we'll take the pommel out. And we just want to flip the kill switch. So with the saber on, but no sound because we got the speaker off, come over here and flip the kill switch up. Now everything's dead. And that's pretty much your saber. Let me know if you got any questions. I try to make this as easy, as easy to operate as possible. And it's very solid. So yeah, let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.